specific, got an interesting detail in the sources about the estimated energy consumption of these tools.
Oh, yeah. What was that again?
They estimated the monthly power consumption of just the top 50 AI tools being used in Europe as of February 2025 was roughly 0.034% of the total EU electricity consumption back in 2020.
0.034%. Okay, so that sounds tiny on its own.
It does sound tiny,
Yeah.
but it's for only 50 tools, and it's a snapshot in time. This is an interesting little data point that hints at the growing energy footprint these technologies collectively bring. Going back to the hardware discussion about efficiency.
Right, all of which really underscores the point that events like GTEx Europe serve as these central meeting points, these hubs, bringing together all these diverse tracks. AI, everything, quantum computing, green digital action, manufacturing tech.
It's a snapshot of a world being rapidly, fundamentally reshaped by AI from multiple angles all at once.
So, okay, let's try to synthesize what we've learned from this deep dive into these sources. It feels like quite a journey.
It really does.
We've journeyed through the rapid evolution of AI itself, seeing it move from being essentially a responsive tool you have to carefully prompt,
Right, mastering that initial interaction.
to becoming these genuinely autonomous agents, and now even coordinating swarms of agents working together.
And we've explored its transformative impact. We look closely at how it's actively reshaping governments and cities, using Dubai as a really prominent leading example of the sources, and also how it's bringing measurable change to traditional manufacturing sectors through innovative startups like A-List, working with existing infrastructure.
And we definitely looked under the hood at the foundational hardware that's making all this possible, from the next generation of transistors and new materials,
From GAA, maybe CAP down the line.
to the critical developments in power electronics, and the really intriguing potential of photonic chips to tackle those huge energy demands.
And crucially, I think we also grappled with those profound ethical, philosophical, and even geopolitical questions raised by frontier technologies like brain-computer interfaces.
Yeah, understanding that urgent need for really careful public discussion, smart regulation, and international cooperation as these technologies advance.
It's not just about can we build it, but should we and how.
Exactly. So you've taken this deep dive with us, hopefully gaining some curated insights into how these powerful forces aren't just abstract concepts being discussed in labs or boardrooms.
No, they're actively reshaping economies, societies, and the future of work.
And potentially even touching on the future of human consciousness and interaction itself when you look at things like BCI.
Which brings us, I guess, to a final provocative thought for you, the listener, to consider, based on this whole trajectory outlined in the sources we've explored.
Okay, let's hear it.
Given this rapid rise of autonomous